Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2022 Ram 1500 SXT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. Now taking a look at the back here, we do have a gripped tailgate, as well as a nice backup camera, that nice Ram logo. And moving to the sides, we do have mud flaps in both rear and front wheel wells, as well as a nice grip running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. This vehicle also comes equipped with a nice tonneau cover, which keeps your good nice, secure, and dry. And moving to the front here, we do have that nice license plate bracket and that nice Ram grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably, with this turning into your 6th additional seat. We do have a nice dark slate cloth interior, as well as some nice leathering on the door. And if you need a little extra storage space, you can always lift this up for some extra space. And we do have 2 cup holders down right there. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here that we do have manual seats, that nice dark slate cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space, that nice leathering on the door, your light fixtures there, parking brake. We have 3 cup holders up front, a nice leather wrap top for your center console, and plenty of room, coin holders, as well as 2 USBs and an aux. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 26,169 kilometers. We have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your cruise controls here. You can change your gears right there. Your toggle for your screen up there. Voice and phone controls there. And looking in your main menu here, you do have a digital speedometer, vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, messages, screen setup. You can turn the menu off, and so on and so forth. Now looking to the left of me, we do have a 12-volt outlet there, your 4-wheel drive capabilities, your gear shift sitting right there, traction control, tow and haul button, a nice little storage cubby there, another 12-volt outlet right there. You do have dual climate at the front, which is always a plus. Your media controls there. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Hazards, and your main screen. You do have a nice little cubby there as well. And looking here, you do have your home page, which you can set up however you like. But for right now, we have our channels and what phone's connected. Let's go back. Come on. You can also add widgets here. So comfort, status, playing, so on and so forth. Media. So we have Sirius XM, Bluetooth. You have your USB, and so on and so forth. And your comfort. And you can raise and lower the fan like that. Phone. So which phones have been connected or which phone is currently connected. Any vehicle information. So we'll start with controls, such as mirror dimmer and rear view camera. As we can see there. Now looking at settings, you have my profile. So brightness, theme modes, auto dark, and so on and so forth. Display brightness, and so on and so forth. Safety, hill start, clock and date. Phone, camera, Bluetooth, wipers, lights, doors, key off options, and so on and so forth. You do have a little storage here, and of course storage under the dash. And lifting this up, this is your 6th additional seat, which is pretty roomy in here. The stock number for this vehicle is B7563, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.